Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to turn any photo into a stunning starry sky painting effects. It's right from your phone and no photoshops needed. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamfast app. If you haven't it yet, just download it from the Play Store and then just install and log in with your Google account. These apps will offer a free package with weekly credits and even free avatar generation, so you can try this without spending anything. Okay, let's jump into the first steps. Once you're in, just tap on AI filters. And this is where the magic happens. You will see a variety of filters available, but for today's effects, we're going to choose the Starry Skies filters. On new arrivals section, just find Starry Sky, this one, just tap on it. This filter is inspired by the famous Van Gogh painting that will give your photo that dreamy artistic vibe. Next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. And once you're done, just tap animate. And then just wait a few seconds while the AI works its magic. And see, when it's done, you will see your photo completely transformed into a digital painting with a thrilling night skies like this, like on the Starry Skies painting. And if you're happy with the result, just tap on the download icon to save it to your gallery. Now you can share it on your social media like maybe Instagram, Facebook, or anywhere that you want. And okay, that's it. In just a few taps, you have turned your photo into a masterpiece using Dreamfast app. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.